Once you've created a project, you're going to need to cite sources to go in it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cite a book. So the first step is you're going to click on whatever project you would like to put the source with. So once you click on that, it's going to open this up, and in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see it says New Source. You're going to click this link, and it's going to give you several options: database, website, printer in hand, file, app, or ebook. An ebook is an electronic book. So if you have the actual book in your hand, you are going to select print or in hand. And then your options are book, magazine, and reference source. A reference source would be something such as a dictionary or an encyclopedia. This is just a regular book, so I'm going to select book, and it's going to take me to this page. You can see there are a lot of blanks here on this page, and I'm able to fill in all of those blanks, or I can do it the easy way. The first option here is import using ISBN, and that's what we're going to do because that's going to make your citation a whole lot easier. So the ISBN is the number found above the barcode on most books that you are going to find. And it's a series of numbers that goes all the way across the barcode, and you're going to type all of those numbers in this blank. Notice there are some dashes in the ISBN, but we are not going to type those dashes in. So I'm going to just type this in without dashes, and then click search. So it's going to say, here are the search results that we have, and you're going to check out those results and see if it matches the book that you have in your hand. And if it does, you will click that results, and then in the bottom right-hand corner, select Import Selected Sources. And it's going to fill in these details. You should review each field carefully because this is an automated process, so sometimes computers get stuff wrong. So you just want to make sure that all of this looks right. It's the right author. If you have multiple authors but only selected one, you can always add more later. So we're going to hit continue. And as I said, if you needed to change any of this information, you can add a contributor. If you scroll down, there's a giant box that says annotation. This is where you can put any notes that you want to include. You do not have to do this right now. All of this stuff can be edited later. So once I've imported everything from my book using the ISBN, in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to click the Save button. And then now I've created my first citation.